Hello, hi. Okay, my voice in. Oh, wait, camera's in. Yeah, I really wanted to use my microphone, but unfortunately it's low battery. So, I don't know. And my PC is low battery also. My last job is to stall time until it was 50 minutes or something. Well, let's know. I don't know, man. I just need to talk for 50 minutes or so. I don't know. I'll do my best. Anyway. Oh, the voice of a fan is coming. I don't know, man. I'm not sure about it, but just be silent and it is just not me. So, I don't know what to do. I'm tired. I can't sleep. I need to talk 30 minutes straight. It was annoying, but there's nothing I can do about it. Dude. The silence is not working here to talk about it. Something is just not fine. Good. I need to talking and things like that. I practically hate it. And the backlash is crazy. And I need to, you know, be ready. Well, I guess everything is ready, but not like I have the perfect pants for it. Yeah, I need to tidy up my bed. If you want to see my bed, definitely I did not prepare it. And it was straight up trash everywhere. I'm tired, really tired. Looking at it. I'm not ready to, like, half of it ready. So, I get a lot of video vibes. I'm still uploading. Mhm. I don't know, man. Just in case I'm gonna check my friends.